Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of an Invicta Rc63 planer. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machinery you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and checked. This is an Invicta Rc63 24-inch planer, 24-inch width capacity. It's actually going to give you about a 24.8-inch width capacity, 8-inch thickness capacity. It does have a 4-knife cutter head. You do have an extra set of blades with it as well. 7.5 horsepower main motor. 230 460 volt, currently wired 230 volt. Segmented kickback fingers. Solid in-feed rolls. We're going to turn it on real fast. This is your feed. It does raise and lower as it should. It's firm, but on these machines it's going to be firm. Again, a nice, clean, fully operational Invicta 24-inch planer. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.